your
अगर आपके घर पे शादी है, this is the hall that you can refer to because I got a lot of pieces for all शादी, हल्दी, reception and just like that ethnic fashion. So अगर शादी नहीं भी है, then also you can pick a lot of pieces from this haul. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika and today's video is, as I said, a quick Myntra haul. So without much blabbering, let's get started. Because I said haldi, let's start with this yellow sari. This is literally the prettiest sari that I have got. इसके साथ आप एक black blouse, white blouse, red blouse कुछ भी pair कर सकते हो and it will look so good. This has this golden border, so you can also wear this with a golden blouse, and that is what I will do because I think I'm gonna make a bunch of reels in this as well. So I'm gonna wear like a pretty golden blouse and I think this looks so good. You have to pick this up. All these products are one day delivery, so अगर आज order कर रहे हो, कल दोपहर तक you'll receive your package, and I think this is definitely worth the money. The MRP of this is 4699, but I got it at 1000 something. So of course all the products will be linked down below, and I'm not gonna talk too much about each product because here is the try on and here is the product. I am an absolute fan, and I'm not gonna say this for all the things because I'm already done with the try on. मैंने सब पहन के देख लिया है and एक भी ऐसा product नहीं है जिससे मेरा कोई problem हो, and that is the reason why I'm so excited about today's haul. So let's move on to the next sari that I got. The next sari is something that you must have seen because इसके साथ I've already uploaded a video. This is आज ही मैंने video बनाया है और सारी मैंने literally fold भी नहीं किया. A golden and pink sari, and both the colors are my favorite. I love golden, I love pink, and this looks so pretty. This is like the pallu of the sari and I am obsessed. I got the same sari for my mom and we also made a very pretty reel together. This will go with all your shadi events and this is so perfect. The material is also very good. It's very comfy, and I think I'm gonna pick one more because this also came in a royal blue and gold color, and I think royal blue is my new favorite color, so can't wait to pick one more. Speaking of royal blue, look at this kurti. This is like a full sharara set. This comes with this, a very pretty blue dupatta and a sharara, and it's so pretty. The gold detailing and everything, I'm just gonna show it to you in a bit, but look at this work. It looks so good. This brand, by the way, I have to give a shout out. Indo Street has so many pretty kurtis and sharara sets, so these are all below 2000, and I think this is like so good. As you can see, the print and everything, it's very well made. It looks super expensive. Just look at the finish of this. This is sharara ka niche ka part, and this finish is so good. It almost looks like a product worth 5 to 10,000, but ये बहुत affordable है. Like I got it at 1600, so definitely something that you can pick. And this is शादी अगर नहीं भी है घर पे तो भी I think this is something जो आप कभी भी पहन सकते हो. It will look super nice. This is the dupatta, so supposedly this is supposed to be like this, and ये जाता है पीछे, and this is how it looks like. It's so good. सिर्फ इस part पे print है and here there is like no print of sorts, and this looks so good. I am absolutely obsessed. You have to pick this up. I've been saying this since the beginning of the haul. Anyway, the size that I got is small, and I think if you are somewhere around my body, I'm gonna mention my measurements down below, so if you're somewhere around my body, then you can definitely get the size small. थोड़ा सा alteration इसका शायद करवाना पड़ेगा, but I can stitch myself, so I'm gonna just stitch the sides and then it will be perfectly body hugging. Now this product that I got is a really trendy one. This is from the brand Sangria. इसका MRP है 5000, but I got this at 700 only, and this is such a cool product. This is how the blouse looks like, basically more like a Navratri blouse, and इसका पीछे का is also perfect. It has this dori and it's so pretty. पीछे there's this this border as well, and it's kind of a low back blouse, so I really like it because the back is like really designed. But this is the blouse, and here is the so-called sari, half kurta half sari, that is what they mentioned on their website. And this is a normal skirt, और स्कर्ट के साथ ये थोड़ा सा अटैच्ड आया है ये रैंडम कपड़ा. So basically you are supposed to take this kapda as a sari, and this is how it's going to fall. I am a fan, like hands down. This is the coolest thing that I've ever seen, because if you can't wear a sari, you basically wear the blouse, a normal skirt, and then drape this just like usual, and this looks so good. This is hands down my favorite product from this haul, and I think this looks also like very trendy, so people are gonna ask ki kahan se liya hai and all. Lastly, we have two more kurtis, and these are not exactly like only kurtis, but these are kurta sets that I'm absolutely obsessed with. The try-ons have already been done because I've made quite a few reels wearing these. So first one is this lavender kurta, and try on is here. It looks so pretty. I think I am a fan. So well made. It almost feels like it's worth 10,000, and I don't know, like I am obsessed. How did I get these products at such an affordable price? I mean, look at this flower work on the dupatta. This flower work looks so aesthetic, and this looks so good. I am absolutely obsessed with this one, and I also got a red one that I am a big fan of. So I have always loved red kurtas, red saris, and I am a red person. Even the lavender one, these are so soft and so comfortable that probably I can sleep in this like the serial bahus that we see. These are like so soft, and especially the fact that the kurta pant has a proper, you know, waistband given. You don't have to wear it in a tight elastic. ये बहुत ज़्यादा लूज करके आप बस waist पे पहनो, and this will look so good. This is a regular size kurta, so basically nobody's gonna see what's happening inside. When I'm on my periods, a kurta is what I wear because I like my bloated stomach to feel comfortable, and these are very comfortable. When I was doing my try on 2 days ago, I was having my periods, and everything that I got, especially these two sets, they are so soft that I was relieved. So this is something that you can definitely pick up because it looks so good and feels so comfortable at the same time. So yeah, you have to pick this up as well. I don't know what you shouldn't pick from this haul because I'm obsessed with all of these products. But lastly, let's come to a blouse that I got, because I don't really buy a lot of blouses. This time I picked a golden blouse from India, and I think I have got to say a lot about it. Here is the only product of this haul that I have a lot of questions about. First of all, this is how the blouse looks like. This is from India, and the price of this is 2000 rupees. एक पैसा डिस्काउंट नहीं मिला इस पे मुझे, and this is how the bust cut looks like from outside, and this is the inside. This is something that I absolutely hated because इसका material almost feels like cheap, like बाजार में इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा मिलता है, and these threads are coming out, and right now it is out of the return zone, so मैं इसको return भी कर नहीं सकती. I have to keep it with myself, and I don't like this blouse at all. The main problem with this is that बाहर का quality अच्छा नहीं है, and अंदर भी it's not very comfortable. Like when I'm wearing it, I feel like just not wearing it at all, and इसका जो bust cut है, it's not perfect. So if you are of a size small, you should get extra small, only then it will be tight on your body. And a blouse is supposed to be tight. A blouse is not supposed to be, you know, this big. It's not an oversized top, so the fitting is bad, the material is bad, quality is bad, and overall it's not comfortable at all. So I literally spent like 10,000 on this haul, and ये 2000 का है. This is the most expensive thing of the haul, and I don't like it. As always, the most expensive thing is what I do not end up liking. So कोई बात नहीं, I can't return it, but you can like this video so that I recover my 2000 rupees. I just hope. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I'm gonna link all the products down below. Let me know which product you liked, and अगर आपको कोई दूसरा haul चाहिए, Myntra, Amazon, Meesho, Flipkart, whatever, let me know in the comments down below. I'm definitely gonna make it for you. And if you want these kundans, you can go and check at the Chic by Ruchika. And that is it for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye bye.